Alright, now I am.
Oh, this is an A series. Very interesting. Look at that.
Enterprise Square in Plano, Texas. I really want to get a better take of this elevator.
I'm sure Goose has been here before.
Oh yes, he has. Alright, see the elevator cab.
Oh, this looks so vintage. Oh, this looks like a Dillard style elevator. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you for showing this to me.
Installed in 1989.
I want to switch sides. This reminds me of the Dillards at Sunland Park Mall.
They used to have the bumpers, but they took them out. They took it out and replaced it with a sensor. This is definitely worth checking out. I really wanted to film this.
I'm gonna get off on 2.
Alright.
And then you can continue your video if you want. I'm gonna get off. I'm just gonna wait for you in the car.
Alright.
Okay, let's go. You can continue getting your video.
Alright. Alright, let's go back up to pick up Hanny. Oh, it looks like he just disappeared, so we're gonna go back down to 1 and anyways, I want to get a detailed view of these fixtures. I clearly remember this elevator from when Alex Stack first filmed this thing way long time ago. There's your phone. I'm so glad I finally get to see it in person. There it goes, and that's it.